Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Jamaican Insider. Good day, all my Jamaican Insiders. How are you guys doing? Hope you are doing well. All right, so right now we're in the parish of St. Catherine. We're just going to take a drive through this community called the Avery, this housing scheme here in Old Harbour. I do hope you will relax and enjoy this video. As the name implies, Avery, that's where birds are kept. So all the roads in here are really named after birds. So should be interesting. So do stay tuned and enjoy this one. Yes, so as you may notice, it was raining a little. So the weather is not the greatest at the moment, but I hope you will still be able to, enjoy this one. As you can see, it's drizzling a little. But hey, the show must go on, eh? A little rain won't stop us. And that's it for our time here at the Avery here in Old Harbour St. Catherine. I do hope you find this video interesting at least. I know it's not the most upscale community that we've visited. You know, we here at Jamaican Insider, we try to mix it a little. It won't all be upscale areas only that we feature here on this channel. And right across the street is another housing scheme called the New Harbour Village, but we won't be able to see that one today. Hopefully someday in the future, God's willing. So if you did enjoy this video, please leave us a like and leave a comment as well. Would you live here in the Avery? Let us know in the comment section below. And remember to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Click the notification bell for all. And see you next time.